We are waiting for the Sultanpur National Park to open. There was no update regarding its opening time. In the internet you would find that it opens by 7 AM in the morning, but what we found out is that it's going to open after 12. So we are waiting. Just opposite to the national park is a beautiful field. You can see behind me the colors are awesome, green and yellow. Come, I'm going to explore and come with me.
Hello everyone, myself Shanti. We came from sector 15 Gurugram and I and Ria have come here to explore Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary. Since the timings have been changed, we are starting from 12 PM. So in the opposite of the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, we have found that there's a beautiful farm here, and you can see there's a yellow, green, everything. It's so beautiful.
Inside the Sultanpur National Park, the entry ticket is ₹5 and you can get binoculars on rent. However, today is an unlucky day for us, I think, because we didn't get any binoculars on rent. So now we are going to go towards the interpretation center to see, to know more about the informations, to gather informations regarding the species of birds and other things. So come with us.
The Educational Interpretation Center has been built up to offer appropriate direction to the adventurers visiting the spot, and a library, films, slides and binoculars for the benefit of bird lovers are provided from here. However, today this is closed.
Inside the Sultanpur National Park, and we are walking on the trail. You can see everywhere there are so many trees, and the forests are so lush and beautiful. We still haven't spotted any bird though, but even if you don't spot a bird, there is no loss, because you are going to get something in abundance for free, and that is pure oxygen. So if you want to go for a nature walk, then you must come to this place. Come, let's go and explore.
Sultanpur National Park, formerly known as the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, is located at Sultanpur village on Gurugram-Jhajjar highway. It is about 15 kilometers from Gurugram and about 50 kilometers from Delhi. The area it covers is approximately 142.5 hectares. To facilitate bird watching, there are 4 watchtowers or machans situated at various focuses in the sanctuary.
So we have explored some parts of this national park. We have spotted a few birds, although they are so far, and since we don't have a binocular, we are not able to clearly make out the colors. So if you come, please make sure to arrange a binocular before you come here. Other than that, it's a lovely, pleasant walk, and we are really enjoying.
There are many species of birds at the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, among which many are migratory birds and some are resident birds.
Today I just took the right decision in coming to this place. I'm enjoying this place so much. It is so peaceful. Just think of the fact you're sitting in front of a water body and you're just listening to the chirping of birds. There are no honking of cars, there are no vehicles and pollution, just pure greenery, fresh oxygen and the chirping of birds. Doesn't that sound wonderful? So you must visit this place if you are coming to Gurgaon.
Hello again. As you can see, this place is so beautiful. You can see over there so many huge size birds. They are sitting over the tree, and many small duck-like birds are swimming over there. It's a very pleasant experience. It's a must.
It takes about 2 hours to 2.5 hours to walk along the entire perimeter of the park. Every year, more than 100 migratory bird species arrive at Sultanpur in search of feeding grounds and to pass the winter. In winter, the sanctuary provides a picturesque panorama of migratory birds such as Siberian cranes, greater flamingo, ruff, black-winged stilt, common teal, common greenshank, northern pintail, etc.
If you are really fond of watching beautiful birds, here they have wide variety of birds. Please do come and visit. Just stay away from your regular routine, but make sure that you bring binoculars before that.
Some of the resident birds are common whoopie, paddy-filled pipit, purple sunbird, little cormorant, etc.
This is another leg of the sanctuary, and here is a sitting area where if you are feeling tired you can sit. And we have walked a lot today, so we thought we'll take some rest. So this is the place where I think we can spot peacocks, because there is a board saying so, but we still haven't spotted any peacock. But this area is so pleasant, and it is unbelievable that it is so close to Delhi Gurgaon, which we know as a polluted and very filled with cars kind of city. I'm feeling like I have come to a different world where there is only greenery and peace and chirping of birds and animals and a lot of silence. So we have almost covered this entire Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, and it was an awesome experience. We have spotted lots of birds. However, I'm still not sure about the names of the birds, because we didn't get any brochure or information in the interpretation center, as that was closed. I'm going to go home and Google regarding that. So if you're planning for a short trip on your weekends, you just have a date and you must visit this place. It's going to give you a very wonderful experience. If you loved this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.